Today I am reviewing Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to upgrade your home lighting experience, the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic is one of the most versatile and stylish options available today. Standing at 53.7 inches, this modern corner lamp delivers 1,000 lumens of LED brightness, providing both functional daily lighting and stunning ambient effects. The sleek black design with a painted finish and aluminum base allows it to blend effortlessly into any room, whether it's your living room, bedroom, gaming space, or study. What sets this lamp apart is its RGBIC technology, which allows you to customize multiple colors along the lamp simultaneously. This means that instead of a single color across the whole lamp, each segment can display a different hue, creating vibrant, dynamic lighting. Whether you're setting up for a movie night, a gaming session, a party, or just want to elevate your home decor, the lamp offers 16 million DIY colors and 58 dynamic scene modes, so you can create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Controlling this floor lamp is incredibly easy thanks to its smart home compatibility. You can manage it with Alexa, Google Assistant, or the Govee Home App. The app provides a simple interface to adjust colors, brightness, and effects. You can also program music sync lighting, where the lamp responds to the beat of your music or in-game audio, transforming your space into an immersive environment that reacts to your entertainment in real time. Installation is straightforward. The package includes a power adapter, aluminum base, aluminum light pole sections, and a silicone light strip. The lamp is freestanding, so you can place it in corners or open areas and move it easily to different locations in your home. Its slim and lightweight design, at just 3.5 pounds, makes it easy to reposition without any hassle. Beyond aesthetics, this lamp is also practical. The separate warm white LEDs provide everyday illumination up to 1,000 lumens, which is more than enough for reading, working, or general lighting needs. You can also schedule timers, set specific brightness levels, or create your own dynamic lighting routines through the app, making it a highly functional and flexible lighting solution. For anyone who loves modern design, smart home convenience, and vibrant lighting options, the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic is a must-have addition. Whether you're enhancing a cozy bedroom, transforming your living room for guests, or adding an interactive touch to your gaming setup, this lamp offers endless possibilities. Its high customer ratings and top position as the #1 floor lamp on Amazon highlight just how popular and reliable it is. In conclusion, if you want a smart, stylish, and highly customizable floor lamp, the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic delivers everything you need. From dynamic RGBIC lighting to music sync features, 16 million colors, and hands-free voice control, it's a perfect blend of form, function, and fun. Upgrade your space and bring your rooms to life with this innovative smart floor lamp today.